I would like to acknowledge all your presence here from different media outlets. Thank you very much for giving us this opportunity to have this kind of training so that we are aligned in our DRRM efforts, especially on the risk communication management. It is very critical on our DRRM since the information that we provide to the public would mean their safety or miss their safety or uh, getting out of a perilous situation. So we are very thankful for partnering with us. And we hope that at the end of this training, we'll have our collaborations would further go deeper and more uh, we have a more close collaborations and coordinations, especially on providing the public with accurate, timely, and clear information or communication. So that would mean their safety and for their safety